Back up. Here's your way. Driver. There we go. Driver. There you go. Win. Passenger. Like my Bolo. The score is still 4-0. All right, Mark. You know the line. Eric, I really use my Wait, let me get my camera. Back up, passenger. Passenger, other passenger. Other passenger. Okay, go driver.
Water out of your cooler.
Yeah. Now that's not really a roll.
Ready?
Smile, Mark.
Hey, can we have some more body weight?
Yeah. Go ahead and suck up some wind.
Those that have drank a lot of beer, please come this way.
Why, you need someone to pee on your foot?
Yes,
Well, look at his drive shaft in the back. It's bound up on his gas tank.
That's it. It's because it's pushed all the way out.
Is that what it is?
Hey!
Come on, this one. What do you guys stop for? Lost grip. Let's get a rhythm going.
Need the winch on this side.
3, go!
Yeah, baby, get it.
Woohoo!
Wow. Hey, good work, guys.
What are you guys sitting down for?
I don't know.
Got us. Sitting down on the job. You were doing all the work. You were asking for the union break. That's all. All you guys. Good job, Mark. Baby, spotter line is great. Hey, gentlemen, that was huge. Hey,